Are your eyes closed?
Yeah.
Keep them closed. Keep them closed. Keep them closed. Okay, it's on the couch right in front of you.
Is that Theo? Oh, he's so cute. What am I gonna name? Oh, I know what I'm gonna name him. Chocolate.
You're gonna name this one Chocolate? You said you wanted a medium-sized stuffed dog. You like it?
No, I love it.
Oh, good.
There you are, Ralphie.
There's Ralph. All right, are you ready for your gift number 2?
Wait, I gotta scratch his head.
Oh, you have to scratch his head? He likes it. All right, put him to the side.
No.
All right, are you ready? Tom's gonna bring out your second gift. Tom, are you over there somewhere?
Yeah.
Ta!
Are her eyes closed?
Yeah.
Keep them closed, Lil. Keep them closed. No peeking. No peeking. We will tell you when to open.
I don't know what it is. Oh.
Open your eyes.
Oh my gosh! Hi. Oh.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, honey.
Whose dog is this?
It's ours.
It's ours.
Merry Christmas.
What is his name?
It's a her.
It's a girl.
And her name is Holly.
Her name is Holly.
Holly?
Like, have a holly jolly Christmas.
Oh.
What do you think?
Holly? Oh.
She was looking forward to meeting you.
She has a wet nose.
Yes, she does.
Should we take this bow off?
And she has a
I
bow
wanna
on.
keep it on.
Yeah?
She's so fluffy. She a golden little mini.
Yeah?
Look at her face.
Oh.
She was looking forward to meeting you.
Hi, Holly. My name is Willie. Willie? Oh, it's not. I think she smells a cat.
You think so? I think she does
Feel
too.
these pants.
Guess what, Lil?
Feel these pants.
Wow.
My daddy gave them to me
They're
as
beautiful.
an early Christmas present.
They-
This looks exactly like Holly.
Uh-huh. Look at her face. She
Look at her
wants to
face. She
kiss
likes
you.
you.
She's adorable. I named that one Chocolate.
Chocolate? Okay. Chocolate and Holly?
How are you?
Holly was talking to me this morning saying that she wants to meet you.
He does?
Yes. And now she does.
She's adorable.
You love her?
She's sleeping. She's tired.
She's tired.
Yeah. All right.
Did she
Merry
have
Christmas, honey.
Merry Christmas, honey.
Merry Christmas. Did she have any dog toys?
Yeah.
I want to see them.
Okay. All right. Say bye.
Goodbye.
Say bye. Say this is my Christmas present.
Wave her little paw.
This is December 24th, 2017. Do you want to hold her up and show everybody on the camera?
Sure. Come on, Holly.
Tell everybody that that's Holly. Holly Fitz.
Say
Hello, this is Holly Fitz.
Holly Jolly Christmas.
Holly Jolly.
Holly
She looks
Jolly.
so cute.
Hello,
Look,
Holly Jolly Christmas.
look at her belly, Lil. See her cute little belly?